Life's tight. Eat right. Start simple with MyPlate. Focus on whole fruits. Did you know that whole fruits are a healthier choice than fruit juice? At least half of the recommended amount of fruit should come from whole fruit rather than 100% fruit juice. Whole fruits have more fiber than their 100% juice equivalent. Dietary fiber from fruits, as part of an overall healthy diet, helps reduce blood cholesterol levels and may lower risk of heart disease. Fruits are sources of important nutrients that many people don't get enough of, including potassium, vitamin C, and folate. Buy fresh fruits when they are in season and priced lower. This includes fresh, canned, and frozen fruit. Focus on whole fruits. Visit snapedny.org for more information, tips, and recipes. Save time, save money. Eat healthy.